On today's tutorial, we are going to cut a waterfall jacket. That's what we are going to make today. Please, if you are new on this channel, click the red button down below to notify you as I will be uploading my new videos. If you are passing by, don't forget to like and share. I thank you guys, my co-subscriber, for your love, for your sharing on this channel. God bless you richly. So sit back and enjoy from the beginning to the ending as we are moving to our work table and start the chop. So to cut a waterfall jacket, you will need your material. And the best material for this style is you could use chiffon material, this tissue material, and you can use stretch material as well. Stretch material is fine also. So I want to use this tissue material like 2 years because the person I'm making this, my client that I'm making this for is a girl of like 10 years old. So that's why I want to use like 2 years for her. And this how you are going to do it. You are going to fold your fabric into two. Can you see? This way. And you are folding into 4. This way also. Can you see? So the material now is folded into 4 right now. So the material is folded into 4 right now. So what we are going to do now is to come to this edge. So our material is folded into 4. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have our material folded now into 4. So what we are going to do now is to just determine the length that you want to use for the jacket. So you are coming to this edge and you are taking your measurement from here to the bottom of the jacket, and here we have like 30 inches 30 inches, and we are using 28.5. And as you are placing your tape measure here, make sure your tape measure is properly placed around this side and take the measurement 28.5 inches round your fabric. And don't forget that you are not moving this you are not moving your tape measure from this side, you are holding it down. So this is my 28.5 this way. I'm still holding the tape measure 28.5. I'm holding it at that point 28.5. So we are going to connect the lines together this way. We are connecting it this way. And you are going to cut it. So after this, you are opening it this way. You are opening it this way. So after you have done that, so you are taking your measurements this way. You could do 17 inches, 18, depending on how you want it, but I want to choose 14 inches here. This is my 14 inches. I'm going to rule it. So here I'm going to divide my back measurements. So my back measurement is 15 inches divided by 2 is going to give me 7.5, and I'm placing it this way. So this is my back measurement here. And from here, half of my round armhole, this place, I'm taking half of my round armhole, which is 8 inches. Just like that. So here, so this is my 8 inches, the half of my round armhole. So the half of my round armhole is 8 inches, and I marked it this way, and I connect it to my shoulder line. So what we are going to do now is to just create a curve this way. A circle. Create a circle this way. This is what we are going to do. I'm making a circle. So you are going to cut it this way. On that circle you made, you are cutting on that circle. So you are going to take the measurement. Maybe you are right. So this is 7.5. So I think this is good for her. So I will remove the pin. So you are going to remove it. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can use your bias to pipe it here and the down part. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next class. Bye bye.